guys, it's Baby Unicorn here, back with another video. Today we're going to be playing some solo build battle. So guys, this is what it looks like. If you've never played it before, this is how it works. So you could give us some options of some builds that you could be building, and whichever build you like the most, you'll vote for that. Then whichever build gets the most votes is what you'll be building. And you only get a certain amount of time to build it, and then when the time is done, no matter if you finished or not, you vote for everyone else's builds, and then whoever's builds gets the highest votes will win. So yeah, that's how that game works. You should really try it out. It's so fun. It's on the Hypixel server. And guys, I'm aiming to get into the top 3 today, and from now on, you're in charge of what games you want me to play, so comment down below, right down here, what games you want me to play, and please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. And guys, sorry if you hear any background noises, because my house is very noisy. So let's jump right into it. I just missed that. No one saw that. Okay. Now all we have to do is wait for some players to come in so we have enough players to start. Oh, I can't wait to see what the options are. So we're going to see them in 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our options are milk, sad, arcade machine, pool, tennis. I'm going to do a pool. Okay, so we have a pool. So, I want to have some smooth quartz as the floor, some quartz slabs 2, and then I need a bucket of water. And I also need some ladders to climb in, and so I also want to make a diving board. So, yeah. And I also want to quickly find some carpet so I can make like some chairs that they're going to be sitting on. Okay. Where did my smooth quartz go? I'll have to find them again. Okay, they're here. Now, quick. We can't use this item as a server. Well, I'll just have to use a different block. Quick, hurry, Baby Unicorn. We'll just use some polished ancestor stone or whatever this is. We don't have time to look at what it is, we have to hurry. Okay. So I'm making a rectangle, the outline of the pool. Right now I don't care if it's not in the center, I just have to hurry. Because I want to finish this and get into the top 3 today. So we only have 3 minutes and 13 seconds left. Okay, now I have to break all these blocks. So I have to put water in there. 3 minutes to go. Hurry, Baby Unicorn. No time to waste. Just break the blocks. Okay. Only a few more to go. Okay. So, that was a bit too high, so I'm going to put a block there so I can get rid of it and place it again. I'm getting lag. Okay, put heaps of water in here. Because it's a pool. Pool needs heaps of water. Or you couldn't call it a pool. Okay, there. Let me just get some more quartz slabs so like there's a little staircase into it. That in the center? Yes. Now, we need to make a diving board. I'm going to put some quartz slabs on the top of it. Now, bring them out so you can jump in. Now here's where I use the ladder so you can climb up the diving board to jump in. Okay, so there. Now, let's make some chairs on the side over here. Okay, get my carpet, and then the pillow can be purple. That needs to be one higher. That does not work. It's because it's a slab on a block. So it needs to be too high like that. Now I think it will work. Okay. One chair. Maybe I might just do one more. Okay. Now, oh, that looks like it's floating. Oh, it's okay, no time now. I'm going to quickly get some banners, because they kind of look like towels. Let's get just a plain one of them, and a plain one of them. Okay. Where did my other one go? Okay. No time, just put them on here. Put them all around. We've got some banners there. Okay, we finished. Cool, I think that's pretty good. Now, all we have to do is vote for everyone else's. Hopefully theirs aren't that good. Oh, they put beach balls in there. Great idea. This one's a good. And they had these pretty little sunshades with some chairs. Okay. Oh, there's people swimming in this pool. This one's okay, because it's a very small pool. And a 2D house. Really. Okay, this is a humongous pool. It looks almost more like an ocean. It's someone swimming freestyle or something. Oh my gosh, that's epic. Lag. Okay, this is another pool. It's a bit weird with armor stands in there, so it's okay. They didn't have time to put any clothing on the armor stands or heads. Oh, it's like a water slide in a pool. This is another pool. Okay, that's okay. So far, I think I have a chance of getting in the top 3. Because these builds aren't that good. This is... actually, I take back what I said, because this one is a good build. Nice diving board into the pool. Oh my gosh, it's ours. So, everyone, legend it. I don't have time to write legend, damn it. But that was totally a legend. What's this floating thing on here? I'm going to give this an okay, because I have no clue what this is. Is this a diving board? Okay, this looks like a water park or something with fountains. So I'm going to give this a poop. Even though it's pretty good, it's meant to be a pool, not like a water park. Okay, this one's got some nice sunshades and chairs and a diving board into a pool. This one's a good one. Okay, so now this is another really small pool, but it's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, I won! GG, thanks. I won, guys. Can you believe it? Well, guys, I have to go now, but I won, guys. Can you believe it? Comment down below if you reckon that you agree that I should have won, because I did win. So, guys, I've got to go now. But, guys, I'll see you in my next video. So, please comment down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.